In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a list of Coda docs into your Coda document. By the end, you'll have a live auto-updating table of your Coda documents right inside the doc you're working in, perfect for tracking, navigation, or reporting. Start by opening your browser and heading to coda.io/signup. If you're new to Coda, you can create an account here. If you already have one, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you're in, open the Coda doc where you want the data to appear. You can use an existing doc or create a new one if you prefer a clean space for this list. Now let's connect the pack that will pull in your docs. Look to the top right of your screen and click Insert and Explore, then choose Packs. This opens Coda's pack gallery, which is where integrations live. In the search bar, type Coda Doc List. Click into it, and if you haven't used it before, click Install. You may be prompted to choose a workspace or grant access. That's normal, and it allows the pack to read the metadata of your docs, like titles, owners, and last modified dates. With the pack installed, you'll see options within it. Find the item labeled Docs. Click and drag Docs into the page of your current Coda document. Dropping it onto the page creates a pre-built table that's wired to the pack. You should see a Sync Now button. Click that to fetch your current list of documents immediately. If you're prompted to confirm access, follow the on-screen steps. After the sync completes, the table will populate with your doc list. From here, you can sort by last edited, filter by owner or folder, resize or reorder columns, and rename the table to fit your workflow. The best part is that this connection stays live. The table updates automatically when the source doc changes, so you don't have to maintain it manually. If you want more control, you can also trigger a manual sync whenever you need the latest snapshot. That's it. You opened your browser and signed in, opened the doc where you want the data, went to Insert and Explore, found packs, searched for Coda Doc List, and installed it, dragged docs into your page, and clicked Sync Now. You now have a dynamic, always fresh table of your Coda docs, ready to organize, filter, and share with your team. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Coda workflow.